Hey guys, welcome to the Houston Kilby YouTube channel.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Friday. We're still working on this GTO. This weekend, we're finally moving out of the trunk and we are working under the bottom side of the car, and I'm really excited about it. So we're going to be putting in the floor pans. This is going to have several different parts to it. There's probably going to be a lot of steps involved on the underside of this car right here. I'm really excited about it. We're going to start by making some templates. We've got some side panels that we've got to fill in to seal the body off to the chassis, and then we're going to make some panels for the actual floor pan itself. So really excited about it, and I can't wait to get into this. I hope we can really get some good footage for you on this go around, and let's rock and roll. Alright guys, so we're up underneath the car right now, and I'll just kind of show you this first step, what we got to do here. We're going to make a fill-in panel right here that's going to seal the body off to the chassis there. So it's going to look something kind of like that, and it's going to have a piece right in here. It's going to fill it in as well. Just kind of give you an idea of what we're working up against here. So I'm just wanting to seal this off right here to here, but I want it to look real clean. So this is like the original body right here, and I'm wanting to fill in some sheet metal pieces right here. We're probably going to split this thing in half, have some neat looking bead rolls in it, probably something simple, just like something just kind of simple right in through here, and do the same thing down here, and then angle it back and fill it in down here, and then connect into our bottom side right there, and we're ready to rock and roll. But just wanted to show you that, so see the next step that's going to happen. Alright guys, here we are, we're up underneath this thing. I just want to kind of give you an overview of where we're at right now and how we're coming. We had 3 panels here we had to make just to fill in, because all I wanted to do was just clean up from the rocker panel to the chassis here. So we've got those panels in, and they're just kind of mounted in. They're not all the way mounted in, but they're up there right now. So now what we're going to start doing is we're going to start creating our templates to fill in the floor pan here. So we're moving and we are rocking and rolling, but let's keep on at it. Alright guys, here we go. We've got this panel in here. Just kind of got it Got 2 bolts in it and got a clamp on it, just holding it in right now. But it's getting pretty late, and I gotta wrap this video up for this weekend. I'm getting pretty wore out. But see, we got our side panels in here, and we're getting this piece in, and it's turning out pretty nice. I'm liking the way it's looking, the shape it's taking. I'll also get an inside view there so you guys can see it from the inside, but all this will lay down pretty nice, and I'm liking the shape of this. I mean, it'll just form the whole underbelly here, and I'm liking this. It's looking good. But let's keep it going here. Alright guys, we're inside the car here. Just thought I'd show you the top view so you can see it. I think it's turning out pretty nice. It's looking pretty good. It's got the whole shape of the underbelly of the car there. And I think the bead rolls will turn out really nice. But I just wanted to show you a top view here with the seat out of it, and there's the seat right there. But that's what it's looking like. It's turned out pretty nice. I'm really excited about getting these panels in here. They'll look really good in there. I'm getting really excited about this. But before we end this video out for this weekend, I got some tools I'm wanting to show you guys I had to get today, and I thought they were pretty neat looking and turned out pretty nice. But let me show you those things. Picked these bad boys up today from Harbor Freight, and they had these things on sale, and I thought I'd try them out, and went to see these bad boys. Check these things out, man. Harbor Freight. How nice the finish it is. These things are nice. I seen these the other day on the internet, and I need me a set to do a lot of sheet metal work on my car, and I was like, man, those are nice. And it even comes with the dolly forms and everything. I mean, they're nice. It actually really surprises me. And trust me, this sort of thing getting cheap when you buy from most places, and it really surprised me. I picked them up for 30 bucks. 30 bucks for all the hammers and all the dies. Heck yeah. I mean, they're nice. You'll be seeing me using these real soon.